We have a problem 2 raised power x upon 4 equals 32, and what will be the value of x? Let's start its solution. We will solve this problem by two methods. From first method, we are going to start it. Writing 2 raised to the power x upon 4 equals 32. Firstly, we will isolate 2 raised to the power x. So for isolating this, we multiply 4 on both sides of the equation. That is, 4 multiplies 2 raised power x upon 4 equals 32 multiplies 4. From left hand side, 4 and 4 cancel out, and we got 2 raised to the power x equals 32 into 4, 4 to 8, 4 3 12, 128. Further simplifying it, we can write 2 raised power x equals 128 can be written as 2 power 7, so that if we multiply 2 7 times, we will get 128. Here we will use law of indices, that having same basis a power m equals a power n, then we can write exponent equals, that is m equals n. So here we can write x equals 7, which is our result for the unknown variable x. Let's have a quick look at this first method we have solved for the value of x using law of indices. Let's try to solve it by second method. 2x upon 4 equals 32. Here we will also isolate 2 power x. So multiplying 4 on both sides, we get 4 and 4 cancel out. 2 power x equals 32 for 128. Further, we can write it as 2 power x equals 2 power 7. Now let's take log on both sides and simplify this problem. So taking log on both sides, that is log 2 power x equals log 2 power 7. From laws of logarithm, we know that if log m power n, then we can write it as n log m. So applying it on both sides of the equation, we can write x log 2 equals 7 log 2. Now to remove this log 2, dividing log 2 on both sides. That is, log 2 and log 2 will cancel out from each side, and we are left with x equals 7. Again we have got result for the unknown variable as 7 by using two methods. Let's verify this result by putting this answer in the original equation, that is 2 power 7 upon 4 equals 32. Simplifying left hand side, we can write 2 power 7 is 128 upon 4 equals 32. Now 4 1 is 4, 4 3 12, 4 2 8, 32 equals 32. So left hand side equals right hand side. Verified. Kindly subscribe our channel.